When it comes to decorating cakes, there's nothing better than adding chocolate curls. And it's a very simple technique to do. Now I'm using some really good quality premium dark chocolate, and I've placed the block onto a plate into the microwave for 30 seconds. That's all you need for it to become just slightly pliable so we can make our curls. Now I'm going to place the block of chocolate onto a clean surface, and with a sharp knife just like this one, we're going to just hold it quite firmly. Be careful when you're doing this, and we're going to bring the knife towards me just like that, and you'll see these gorgeous little curls start to form. And the deeper you get into the chocolate and the more practice you get, the more curls you make. Look how fantastic this looks. It almost looks like paper bark. All right, now I'm going to gather them up, and as you've done it, look how many we've made. We're going to pop these cute little curls on a very appropriate dessert, little chocolate tart. Look at that, so professional.